Hello everyone, this is host Jerry and yeah, I'm just doing this quick video because today is August 1, 2025 and ngayong araw ay ang aking first anniversary as a full-time host. So happy anniversary host Jerry. As what I can remember, na-approve yung resignation ko sa Department of Education as a teacher last August 1, 2024. And because of my very busy schedule right now, hindi ko siya almost naalala kung hindi pa shinare or share yung video of my resignation as my tribute of going out from the Department of Education last August 1, 2024. And today, I celebrate God's blessings. I celebrate gratitude. I celebrate with the people na kasama ko dito sa industriya. Ang dami nang nagbago, a lot of things happened. Ang dami na ring pagbabago mo. Sabi ko, physically, pumayat ako, nagtatanong sila, ano ba daw ginagawa ko, hindi ba daw ako kumakain? Well, kumakain pa rin po ako 3 times a day, but this time is I'm having food control. Walang masyadong tatamis, hindi ako masyadong nagkakarne. Hindi din ako pwedeng uminom ng alak, hindi po ako nag-aalak and all. Pumayat daw, gano'n. May mga nagparitoke ka na ba, host Sherry? Wala pa pong retoke nangyayari sa amin. Wala pa po. But, kung gusto ko bang magpa-retoke, gusto ko yung ilong ko. Gusto ko siyang patangusan. So, for this time, wala pa pong retoke nangyayari after 1 year na naging full-time host ako. Alright, so I have to move out kasi may mga pumasok. So, as I continue my video, o my sharing for this evening, nandito kasi ako sa Greenleaf Hotel. Dati, nandito lang ako sa atin, sa Mindanao, sa Sultan Kudarat, doing my hosting. Right now is, we got more from Luzon. And I'll be hosting this weddings ngayong 2026. So for 2025, marami na rin akong area mapupuntahan. Hindi lamang po dito sa Jensan, sa Tacurong, sa Coronel, South Cotabato. Nasa Davao City na po tayo, and even Cotabato City, umaabot na rin po tayo. Even Zamboanga, umaabot na rin po tayo. I have my own team na. So, hindi lang siya nag-iisang host Sherry this time. My official DJ spinner, I have my own assistant, I have my own cameraman, and I have my own driver na duty talaga sila. Halos everyday. Kasi nga, malalayo na yun. Na yung mga location and I can't drive for myself na. But, may mga times pa rin na malapit lang. So, I would love to drive for myself kasi syempre nakakarinig pa rin yun siya ng stress. So today, I pause to celebrate with joy and deep gratitude for all the blessings I've received over the past year. So Lord, thank you very much sa blessings, sa mga opportunities, sa unstoppable opportunities, at saka sa mga signs na pinakita mo. Kasi kung hindi ka pa nagpakita ng signs, walang mangyayari sa akin. So eto na, I'm embracing everything right now. I'm embracing the people na kasama ko, itong mga bago kong kaibigan, bago kong pamilya, and mga kliyente. Maraming salamat. At etong mga followers ko, maraming salamat. Parte po kayo nitong unang anniversary ko as a full-time host, as a full-time vlogger. Thank you so much. And ganun pa rin, personally, yung to tell you honestly, hanggang ngayon ay binabayaran ko pa rin yung mga utang ko. And syempre may mga loans and all, so I'm still paying it until now. But of course, this time, there's a little bit changes of this. So many blessings. I have the chance now to share blessings to the family, to the friends, and sa mga taong nangangailangan din ng tulong. Hindi lamang siguro financial, emotional, advices. Maybe they're having the same thing, experiencing the same thing ng mga na-experience ko. And so I can share my personal experience and what I did during those times. So ganun, to my co-hosts, sa mga kakilala ko rin mga hosts, I have the chance right now to interact, to talk to them, have conversations to them, and learn and grow with them. So ito yung mga bago sa akin ngayong isang taon na ako na full-time host. Be strong, because how will you know that there's gold behind the door if you'll never dare to open? So keep working hard, be brave, and keep pushing forward until you finally receive the answer to that long-awaited prayer. God bless everyone. I'm about to perform in 5 minutes. Happy anniversary!